Hi, everyone. I'm Teresa Younkin, founder of and CEO of Mosaic Life. It's an AI-driven wellness app, and I'm also a health informaticist. Welcome to my summer series on AI, FHIR, and patient engagement. So today we're going to be diving into the world of FHIR implementation. Now, if you haven't seen the rules dropping, we've had HTI-1, we've had the CMS 0057-F, which is the prior auth rule, HTI-2, the proposed rule just dropped. So there's a lot going on when it comes to fire and health IT. Just want to touch base with you guys just a little bit. You'll see that my background's a little bit different. I'm traveling for the summer as I normally do, and am coming to you from a pretty cool place, as you can see. All right. So if you're working in health IT, you know how crucial FHIR, fast healthcare interoperability resources are for seamless data exchange and, more importantly, regulatory compliance. So let's discuss some best practices to ensure your FHIR implementation is a success this week. Number one, you need to be collaborating with your stakeholders. So engage all of your relevant stakeholders, including your clinicians, IT staff, governance, analytics team, and your administrators. That has to be done early on in the process because their input and their support are vital for your successful implementation. Number two, continuous monitoring. You will regularly monitor the performance of your FHIR implementation. It's not a set it and forget it. You can use analytics to track data efficiency. You can identify your bottlenecks and make improvements as needed along the way. Again, it's not a once and done. It's constantly evolving. Don't forget to include your data stewards. They are so important because they can help you to identify and resolve blockers to your FHIR projects before they even become an issue. Those are the people in the know. Number three, stay updated. FHIR is an evolving standard, so you need to stay updated with the latest developments and incorporate them into your systems. Participate in industry forums and in the Da Vinci community. That way you have a place that you can share knowledge and that you can learn from others. Learning from somebody else who's done a FHIR implementation is just priceless. The ONC's HTI-1 and the proposed HTI-2 rule that just came out has provided some updated certification criteria and standards to ensure that we have better interoperability across the industry. Now, don't think that just because your EHR has to meet these criteria that you don't. Remember, if your EHR is capable to generate the data, you are responsible to provide it. Number four, focus on your user experiences. Ensure that your end users, such as your doctors, analysts, center of excellence, that they find your FHIR-enabled systems intuitive and that they're easy to use. Engage with the UX designer right away. When you have user-friendly interfaces, it can significantly enhance the adoption and the effectiveness of your FHIR implementations. One way to do this is to use Smart on FHIR apps. That's one way that you can harness the power of your data and provide it where and when it's needed in your organization. And the fifth thing, invest in training. Ongoing training and support are absolutely crucial. As I said before, FHIRs are changing standard. The industry is moving quickly. Regularly update your staff on new features and best practices to keep them proficient and confident in using these systems. Send your teams to participate in Connectathons. There's one coming up in September in Atlanta. These Connectathons are not just for developers. In addition to these testing events, there are education sessions, collaboration sessions, networking sessions. It's easy, and it's also crucial for your business stakeholders to get involved in FHIR as well. These Connectathons are a great 2-day weekend experience for them to get immersed in the technology and see what's going on and have conversations with others who are working on FHIR and are solving the problems that your organization is probably going to run into. So, by following these best practices, you can successfully implement FHIR in your organization and not just be compliant, but actually help in overcoming common challenges and actually reaping the benefits of improved data interoperability. Remember, FHIR isn't just an initiative, it's an operational imperative. Now, if you found this video helpful, please share, like, subscribe. Be back here next Wednesday where I'll be talking about more FHIR AI and patient engagement in health information technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you here again next week at the same time.